In this prompt, we're going to use the draw tool, and the draw tool is going to help us illustrate an idea. In this case, it's the life cycle of a butterfly. So I need to start by deciding how I want my canvas of my drawing to look. I'm going to head down to Effects, like usual, and pick my background. I'm going to choose board, and this time I'm going to do a little bit differently. I might do a blackboard. I can be in half the frame. I can use the slider, be in more than half or less than half, but for our purposes, I'm going to go. All right, the next thing I want to do is I want to draw. And in order to draw, I'm going to choose this draw tool here. And I can, let me just show you quickly, I can draw like that. I can change my color, draw like this, and I can change the thickness of the tool. Remember to clear, top left, hit the clear button. All right, so I am going to start by drawing a leaf. Okay, and on my leaf, I need some eggs. Awesome. Minimize, and I'm going to start my recording. Caterpillars start as little eggs that hatch. They're normally found on a leaf. I can pause there and then add my next part. So I'm going to choose Effects again. And now I'm going to draw a cute little caterpillar. This might be a little hard, but I think we can do it. If I want to undo, I can click Undo. And now I'll tell my next part of my story. Once the eggs hatch, they turn into little caterpillars. Now at this point, I can choose to keep doing this where I draw behind the scenes, but I want you to also know you can draw while people watch. So if you wanted to show them where the caterpillars came from, look what you can do. I'm going to choose to have, let's say, a white arrow, because I think it will show up better on that black background. And I'm going to record. When these eggs hatch, they become a little caterpillar, just like that. And these are called the pupas. They're tiny little caterpillars. Now let's see what this video looked like when I was drawing live. We're going to go and give it a preview. I'm going to drag my little time marker to where I think it is. And sure enough, oh, there I've started to draw. So I'm going to back it up a little and hit play. A little caterpillar. So just like we moved Goldilocks around, we can show our drawing live. I want you to use this draw tool to decide how you're going to tell the story of the caterpillar. Will you draw and pause, or will you draw it all live? A lot like those videos sometimes you see that your teacher might show you of people drawing as they explain ideas. Go ahead and give it a try, and remember, it's not about the art, it's about your ideas. So don't get caught up in having perfect drawings, or if you think your drawings aren't really great.